Good morning, guys. Welcome back to episode 2 of the quest for the 600 wheel horsepower Evo 10. Today's goal is to at least get the motor and tranny and transfer sitting in the car. We may be able to get farther than that, but that is the end goal for today. Get the motor completed. The last time we got it completed, we should have a few things to bolt on the motor, such as the water pump, thermostat, a few other little things. Then we can get the Evo into the shop and hopefully get the motor, tranny, and transfer all sitting in the car together. The complete motor is all finished up. We got to get the Evo back here. This is usually where I put a car when I'm throwing the motor or doing any extensive work. So I'm gonna pull the FRS out just so we have a lot more space to work with. We got the car into the shop, we got the motor chilling here. What we need to do is connect the motor and chain together. We got to throw the flywheel clutch, also the rear main seal on the motor, get the tranny onto the motor, and then we can jack the car up in the air and get everything, engine, trans, and transfer all connected together and the motor mounts on. Here's how it looks right now. I probably will take off a lot of this stuff just to make it easier. When I pulled this motor out, I was kind of in a rush, so that's why all the stuff is just dangling. But yeah, I'll probably move a lot of that stuff around, take some stuff off. We have a new oil cooler to put on from MA Performance. And what else? Yeah, this car's missing a lot of stuff. Missing mirrors, fender vents, hood, bumper, rear bumper. So much stuff we took off of it for the Abandoned Evo project because all the cool stuff from the Abandoned Evo is going on here. Motor and tranny are ready to go into the car. Let's get this thing jacked up in the air, pull a few more things off of it just to make life a little bit easier, and we can slide the motor tranny under the car together. It's gonna be a little bit rough. I'm gonna swing this on my own by myself. It hasn't stopped us yet, so it's not gonna stop me now. So we got the motor and trans into the car. I've realized over the last few years of doing this multiple times, if you get that rear mount on first, that guy right there, that is coming off the tranny, that makes everything much easier. So do that one first, and then do the sides, and then the very last you can do this front one. You can do that whenever, but make sure you get the rear first, and then you can do the sides. That's how I've done it. Makes it a little bit easier. Well, boys, we accomplished the goal of getting the motor, trans, and transfer case all into the car. All the motor mounts are on, except for that bottom one. I'll do that one probably, I don't know, later. Sometime later. It looks like in yesterday's video, everyone wants to see a candy apple red valve cover on this car. So we will be coating that. I'm not exactly sure when. We have to do all the Cerakoting stuff on the hot parts. So the downpipe, the dump tubes, the turbo itself is going black as well, and the exhaust manifold. All that is going Cerakote black. Well, it will be Cerakoted black. So yeah, we'll be doing the valve cover candy apple red in an upcoming video. I'm gonna go ahead, wrap it up right here. My knee took a straight beating trying to get this motor tranny in by myself, but we did it. I'm gonna go take a break for the rest of the day, edit some video stuff, and then I'll see you guys back out in the shop bright and early tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow.